Here I have Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the general management, reset, factory data reset, and then delete all. And after a few minutes your device will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.